Look who's come to visit me. It's the woodpecker. Such a beautiful bird. Look at all that mud on his beak. Making a mess of my lawn. He's probably found a little ant's nest there, I think. Just wanted to get a better look at the feathers on him because it's so detailed. He's got kind of yellow, spotted bits. It's like a greeny yellow on top, and then that beautiful red head that he's got. Look at the beautiful colour on his head. I can't remember the name they call these. There's a special name they call woodpeckers. There's a nickname with them with bird watchers. If you know that, can you put that in a comment? I've totally forgotten. Someone told me that a while ago. It's so rare that I see him. I'm just going to keep filming. This is just for me now. We should turn around a bit. I've seen all my favourite animals around here today. I've had the parakeets flying over. I had the jackdaws playing with the red kite. And that was just so beautiful to watch. They were playing and chasing each other, and the jackdaws were teasing the red kite. It was really fun to watch actually, and then the parakeets got involved and it was just a lot of fun they were having up there. Yeah, he's turned around. There you go. Let's see how he uses that beak. I'll try to get a really close up here. Now he's attacking that soil. He's found some tasty ants or grubs or something. Guys, I hope you enjoy all my videos. I try to upload stuff that's going to uplift people, because we all know stuff already. We just need to be kept at a certain level and stay up there and be happy despite everything that happens. And that's why I like to do nature videos. I just think they're so calming. Look. And I did a poll the other day asking what sort of content you prefer on my channel, and the travel and walking has won. So I'm going to be doing a bit more of that. I've got a few things booked already. I'm really looking forward to that. Look at this beautiful creature. Looks like he's starving. Little robin's appeared. Two redbirds in there at the same time. I'm going to say bye now from the Bushy Bird Sanctuary, which is doing really well. My birds are thriving. So peace out. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Keep smiling. The robin and the woodpecker. And he's gone.